What are you doing? What is your problem? Why can't you leave him on? Corey started a project and forgot what he was doing, so now he's doing other stuff. I'm gonna help. What were we doing? You gonna tell me? Say something, Jules. Hi. Will you do my hair?
Sure, I will, as long as it'll stay this way in this weather.
Oh. Is there an umbrella?
Yes, we have a umbrella.
What is it?
It's a match.
It is?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, God!
Dad bought it for us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
See, watch.
I would never lose that.
See, you gotta hit it right. Watch.
Really? That really works?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh, you're pushing the button.
No, watch. See, doesn't work in there. Doesn't work in there.
You're pushing the button.
Oh, my.
No, he thinks I'm such an idiot. What you eating? Kind. Lucky Charms? The green ones? Cool. I'll go with my green camera.
When you visit my website, you've never heard of us before, you get a very different experience. So I think the next generation of websites will be much more like Amazon, whereas Amazon